Brodie, Leftridge, center field, University of Tennessee.
Brant, Blaylock, outfielder, Mississippi State.
Tyler Robinson, left-handed pitcher, Northeastern University.
Gavin, Weyman, I'm a right-handed pitcher. I go to UConn.
Blake James, I'm a right-handed pitcher and I go to Harvard Community College.
I'm Richie Schiekofer. I play center field and I'm going to the University of Maryland.
Washington Nationals.
Atlanta Braves.
I like the Miami Marlins.
Boston Red Sox.
Favorite MLB team would have to be the Baltimore Orioles.
New York Yankees.
Dexter Fowler.
Aaron Judge.
Miguel Cabrera.
Pedro.
Probably Noah Syndergaard.
Bryce Harper.
Doug Weyman.
Brodie Leftridge.
Garrett.
Ty.
Favorite team, probably Brett because I played with him in college.
Yi Chen.
Life.
The Warrior.
Friday Night Lights.
Gladiator.
Favorite movie, Bench Warmers.
21 Jump Street.
Kelly Price by Migos.
Pillow Talk by Lil Dicky.
Did It Again by Jake Rich.
How about you, Eric Church?
Dirt on My Boots.
Your Love by the outfielder.
Cat and a Hat.
Redfish, Bluefish.
Green Eggs and Ham.
Good Night Moon.
Green Eggs and Ham.
Green Eggs and Ham by Dr. Seuss.
Princess Leia from Star Wars or something. I don't know.
Elsa. Frozen.
Ariel.
Belle.
Cinderella.
Cinderella.
We won a lot of games and I almost broke the home run record.
Getting a win against Alabama as a pitcher when I'm actually an outfielder.
Pitching against the Oklahoma Sooners.
Going to Oklahoma this year for the World Series.
I threw a no-hitter on my senior night.
Hitting a home run in my last at-bat in the state championship.
I'd have a job.
Working out and probably just helping my dad out with his baseball team.
I'll be working, probably in Boston.
Be working and working out, basically.
Probably fishing.
I'd be working out every day, getting ready to play for college.